Shaking.
Today we are looking at the gold Apple Watch Sport and comparing it to something closer to the real deal. And this is a relatively new color release from Apple, and if you can't afford the real gold version, this may be the next best option, but you're making a sacrifice in material. Now personally, I like the gold aluminum as it matches the gold iPhone, but I prefer the stainless steel Apple Watch as it features a sapphire display to prevent scratches. Luckily, you can have your cake and eat it too. Well, kind of. Apple may not have anything for the baller on a budget, but you can get your stainless steel Apple Watch plated in gold, which I've done through watchplate.com. And I've shown you guys a video on my gold plated Apple Watch a while back, but I thought it would be nice to compare the gold Apple Watch Sport to the gold plated Apple Watch to get a better sense of what's involved here. Another cool thing is that either route you go, you'll end up with a matching band like you see here on the sport bands with the gold pins. Obviously, the gold color on the plated version is going to be much closer in look and appeal to those considering an Apple Watch edition but aren't crazy enough to actually buy one. This is as gold as it gets right here. You'll need to pick up an Apple Watch starting at $549 and send it off to WatchPlate for the plating, which will run you about $399. But ultimately, it's gonna look like the edition, and damn does it look good, if that's what you're going for. If you want the gold look to match up with your other iOS devices, the gold Apple Watch Sport is the way to go. It starts out at $349, but again, you're missing out on the stainless steel design, which may or may not matter to everyone, as well as the sapphire covered display. And there are other minor differences on the backside of the watches, but at the end of the day, a scratch-free display is a happy one. Side by side, there's a clear difference in the gold tone between these two. One isn't necessarily better than the other though, it's a matter of taste. But either way, I can't help but love the plated version from WatchPlate more than the aluminum Sport due to the materials and the true gold tone. It's a bit flashier, but it's the only way you'll get something remotely close to this without spending 10 grand on an Apple Watch edition. Again, that's crazy, but more power to you if you're rocking an edition. Also, if you're not even sure what the hell an Apple Watch is, I will leave some of my videos linked below so you can learn a thing or two. But which one do you prefer? Like I said, I'm a big fan of the gold plated version, but it'd be nice to see Apple release a gold Sport with a sapphire display. That's obviously not going to happen though. So for now, your options are either to buy the gold Apple Watch Sport, buy an Apple Watch and ship it off to WatchPlate to get that gold look, or go straight up baller status with the edition, which nobody said ever. Well, maybe a few people did. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave it a thumbs up as it does help out the channel a lot. Thanks again for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.